One of the most common interview questions is, what are your strengths and weaknesses? In this video, we show you how to answer it with confidence. You will learn the right approach, see strong examples, and understand how to avoid the usual mistakes. Let's begin. How to talk about your strengths. When talking about strengths, interviewers want more than a list of traits. They want evidence. Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result, to give a short story that proves your strength in action. You can say, one of my strengths is communication. In my last role, I was responsible for presenting project updates to both executives and technical teams. I adapted my message to each audience, which reduced misunderstandings and sped up approvals by 25%. Now let's move to weaknesses and how to frame them positively. Talking about weaknesses makes most candidates nervous, but the key is to be honest, self-aware, and show improvement. Pick a real weakness, avoid deal breakers, and explain the steps you've taken to get better. You can say, a weakness I have worked on is delegating. Earlier in my career, I would take on too much myself. Over time, I have learned to trust my team more, set clear expectations, and now, delegation helps me improve team productivity and focus on strategy. Here are a few pro tips to make your answers stand out. Balance your answer. Share one or two strengths and one genuine weakness. Stay relevant. Choose strengths and weaknesses linked to the job. Show growth. Turn weaknesses into lessons, and always end on a positive note. Keep it concise. 2 minutes per answer is plenty. Handled well, this question becomes an opportunity to show your self-awareness, credibility, and growth mindset. Now you know how to answer the strengths and weaknesses question with confidence. Rehearse using your own examples, and you'll turn this common challenge into a chance to shine. For more interview guides, check the link in the description, subscribe to the Knowledge Academy, and hit the notification bell icon to be first to get notified. Keep learning and keep growing with the Knowledge Academy.